Will an apple a day keep the doctor away? Maybe, but choosing whole fruit over fruit juice is more likely to keep the dentist away. Children and adults love that fruit juice is tasty and refreshing, but it doesn't measure up to its whole fruit counterparts. When a whole fruit is pressed or squeezed to make juice, the fiber and the water-soluble vitamins, they get lost in the process. While 100% fruit juice is not completely void of nutrients, it still lacks the goodness found in fruit's skin, flesh, and pulp. If you still choose to provide fruit juice at home, keep these recommendations in mind. Children ages 1 to 3, they should be limited to 4 ounces of juice daily. Children ages 4 to 6 should drink only 6 ounces of juice daily. And children and adults over the age of 7 should not exceed 1 cup of fruit juice every day. Now, before bringing home any fruit juice, give its ingredients list a good check for real fruit and no added sugar. Often, you'll be surprised to find that fruit touted on the front label, it's just not found in high quantities on the back label. Remember, real fruit should be the first ingredient. Ingredients like added sweeteners, corn syrup, or even dyes, they just don't provide any benefit to your beverage. When whole fruit just won't cut it, keep these tips in mind and your fruit juice will be fit to drink.
For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.